In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ASMR videos on OpenArt. We'll walk through creating a soothing, visually satisfying clip using OpenArt's video tools, focusing on small details, gentle pacing, and clean sound, the core of effective ASMR. First, open OpenArt in your browser to land on the suite home. From the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Video. This opens the video creation workspace where we'll configure everything you need for an ASMR style result. You'll see controls for start and end frame. These define the portion of your sequence you'll generate and help set the rhythm. For ASMR, shorter deliberate moments work best, so choose a concise range that captures a single satisfying action without rushing. Keeping the duration focused allows the sound and visuals to breathe. Next, select text with reference. This mode lets you guide the output with a descriptive prompt, and if you choose, a visual reference to anchor the style and composition. It's a reliable way to secure consistent results when you want highly specific textures, lighting, and motion. Now choose a model. Pick the option that's optimized for realistic detail and smooth motion. The default model in this workflow is built to handle fine textures, micro movements, and cinematic lighting, all crucial for the up-close and quiet feel ASMR is known for. In the prompt area, describe your video clearly and specifically. Enter extreme close-up of transparent glass strawberry being sliced slowly with a sharp knife, satisfying texture, cinematic lighting, macro lens, ultra-realistic slow motion. This wording emphasizes proximity, texture, lighting, and pacing. Below or alongside the prompt, configure the sound effect, mode, and output. For ASMR, keep audio subtle and crisp with minimal background noise, choose a mode that favors realism and steady motion, and set an output size and frame rate that match your platform needs. Sensory cues like soft scrape, gentle slice, or light glass resonance help the tool prioritize quiet, tactile sounds without cluttering the scene. When everything looks ready, click Generate. Rendering may take a moment. Keep the tab open while it processes. Once the preview appears, play it back and listen for clarity. The slice should feel smooth, the textures should read cleanly, and the lighting should look calm and intentional. If the motion feels too fast, consider narrowing your frame range or leaning even more into slow motion on your next pass. If the sound is busy, reduce intensity in the sound effects settings. That's it. Your ASMR video is created in OpenArt with a focused prompt, intentional framing, and gentle sound for a calming, satisfying experience.